Hey everyone, welcome back to Myprotein's YouTube channel. I'm Ellie. If you haven't met me already, my name on Instagram is _fit, and I specialise in doing healthy recipes which are macro friendly and just as tasty. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you make my so good, so yummy barbecue pizza. Okay, so for this recipe, all you're going to need is some Myprotein Sugar-Free Barbecue Sauce. I absolutely love this one. It's so yummy. We're also going to be using some self-raising flour, crushed chilies to go on top, baking powder, 0% fat yogurt. We've got some peppers and onions there, and then some cooked chicken, and of course some cheese. Okay, so first up, all we're going to be doing is putting 70 grams of self-raising flour into a bowl alongside half a teaspoon of baking powder and 70 grams of 0% fat yogurt. And then what we're going to do is give it a mix. Now, I literally love making this pizza because it tastes like a normal pizza, but obviously it's just more macro friendly and you can basically just have pizza every night of the week. So that's why I like making it. Like, obviously a normal pizza is good every now and again, but you know, if you want to have pizza every night of the week, we've got to make room for it. So this is just the perfect recipe that you can have so that you can just include it every night. So as you can see, a nice dough kind of starts to form. So when you've got that dough-like consistency, we are now going to take a baking sheet and line it with some baking paper so that it doesn't stick. And then what we're going to do is take our dough ball out, and then we are going to roll it into a ball and flatten it, and we're obviously going to form a pizza base. You might also need a little bit of flour for your hands here just to ensure that your hands don't get stuck to the dough. Like that, so we've got a nice dough-like mixture. And then what you're going to do is take a rolling pin, but I don't actually have a rolling pin, so we're going to take this and we're just going to roll it out until a pizza forms. Guys, if you have a rolling pin, then obviously that would be a better option. Oh wow. Okay. Don't use the baking powder. Oh my god. God's sake. Okay, take two. We're going to take the bisque off jar instead, and we're just going to roll it out. We want the pizzas to be a nice kind of circle shape. Obviously, this would be so much easier with a rolling pin. Okay, so pizza base is formed, and now what we're going to do is we're actually going to make this a stuffed crust pizza because stuffed crust is the best. So we're going to take some cheese and pop it around the outside of the pizza, and then what we'll obviously do is fold in the sides to make it a stuffed crust. So once you've rolled down the edges of your pizza, we're going to take a little bit of water and just seal the edges so that the cheese doesn't come out. So I just like to do this with my fingers, so just smooth it around. Just be careful as well to not tear the pizza base. And now for the best bit, we're going to take the Myprotein BBQ Sauce and we're going to pop it into the middle because this is going to be the base of our pizza. So give a generous amount, then take the back of a spoon and just swirl it around. Lastly, we're going to add our toppings. So today for my barbecue pizza, I am adding some cooked chicken, and then we've also got some onion and red pepper here. Of course, you can actually add whatever flavour you like, and of course if you don't like a barbecue pizza, you could just use a normal kind of tomato base. And then to top it off, we're going to add some cheese. Lastly, I also like a little bit of kick to my pizza, so I'm going to add a tiny amount of crushed chilies. And then we're just going to pop it into the oven for around 20 minutes, just until the base is nice and golden. You want to make sure that you cook this at 180 degrees C and just ensure that the pizza is obviously cooked through before eating. Okay, so when you take your pizza out the oven, it will look like this. It's a small pizza, of course, but it tastes so yummy, and we've got the barbecue base there. and it's super tasty for under 500 calories, so I really recommend giving it a go. The barbecue stuffed crust pizza. This sauce is honestly so good. It makes the best pizza bases, and it tastes just like a normal pizza. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed me making this yummy low-calorie pizza. Please make sure that you like and subscribe to Myprotein's YouTube channel, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.